Welcome to the channel, folks. We're in Holt, a Georgian town nestled in the heart of North Norfolk, where history whispers through its cobbled lanes and timeless facades. As winter descends, the street come alive with sparkling lights, joyous laughter and the unmistakable spirit of the Christmas season. This is Holt at Christmas, a celebration where heritage and community shines brighter than ever before. Over 75 local marketers, craftspeople and food producers come together to showcase their talents. This is quirky, lamps made from old electrical gear, and musical instruments, cameras and telephones. Treat your doggy to a treat.
Christmas.
Visitors can discover unique handmade gifts, savoured mulled wine being poured and indulge in the exquisite Artisan chocolates. Time for some nice yummy chocolate. Hello. They look very nice. Yeah, thank you. What are these called then?
Yeah, I don't know where you want to put it.
No. Thank you. I'll try one of these.
Those is apricot and marshmallow and milk chocolate.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Today is better than any, but
Fancy a dip? Now time to check out the food and drink. The market is a feast for the senses and a testament to the rich creative found within the local community.
I've got 10,000 in the bag.
Oh, do you?
That's all.
In this Georgian town, Christmas is more than just a season. It's a living story of togetherness, craft and tradition passed down through the generations.
Would you like to try some limoncello?
Hello. You look very Christmassy.
Merry Christmas. Would you like to try some cream and limoncello?
Is it alcoholic?
It is alcoholic.
No, I'm better.
Okay,
I'm
thank
driving.
you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Would you like
Thank-
to try some, sir?
Is it
£39.99 or 24 next year. We do wedding tables as well by Justin.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You alright?
Hiya, you alright?
Cold today.
Sorry?
Cold today.
Can't feel my feet. But it's alright, it's worth it.
Yeah, I bet. Thank you.
Thank you.
You alright? Very nice. You alright? Have a good Christmas. As the year draws to a close, Holt reminds us the true magic of Christmas lies not in grandeur, but in the warmth glow of community.